Hello, I'm Nick. Today I will show you 3 ways you can use Google Nano Banana for UI design tasks. Google Nano Banana is a code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash image, the latest image generation and editing model from Google. You can access this model in a few places. I personally use Google AI Studio. The first case is using Nano Banana for ideation. You can use a template of this prompt when you are at the beginning of a project and need to explore different concepts quickly. This one will generate 3 variants of your design and provide the rationale behind them. And this is an example of the prompt that I will use. As you can see, for this prompt, Google AI Studio provides not only the image, but also text, which can be very helpful when you need to communicate the reason behind your design. And here are 3 variants. The first one is minimalist and clean UI. The second is data-rich and professional. And the third one is playful and gamified. The next case is using Nano Banana for wireframing. Use this prompt to quickly generate structural ideas for specific page or screen. I try to articulate what I want to see on a page or screen. And I also ask AI to annotate key areas. And this is what Nano Banana generated for me. Looks nice, I think. Final example, component design. Use this prompt to think through individual UI components and their various states. For a component, you need to clearly explain not only its attributes and style, but also the state in which the component is. Here is what Nano Banana generated for me. Now let me tell you 4 tips on how to make the most of Nano Banana for UI design. First, be specific. Instead of saying design a login screen, prompt AI, design a login screen for a mobile banking app that supports biometric login and has a forgot password button. More details mean more relevant results. Second, provide visual references. It can be a good idea to provide your current UI design or styling attributes, so Nano Banana can generate UI that matches your brand identity. For example, you can provide specific brand colors in a prompt and ask AI to use it when crafting screens. Third, iterate, iterate, iterate. Use the first response as a starting point. Refine your prompt with more details to get closer to what you need. For example, after you get to the first output, provide a follow-up prompt. That's a good start. Now create a second concept with more data-dense UI suitable for power users. Finally, provide constraints. Specify a character count, a target platform, or specific design system like material design, because it will help yield most focused results. Tell me what you think about using Google Nano Banana for UI design tasks in the comments. Thank you!